The Grill Heat Aid Heat Resistant Gloves. These gloves are certified. They're EN 407 certified, which means they're safe up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. They will protect you from all different kinds of heat, whether it's an open flame or it's convective heat. These gloves will keep your hands safe when handling extremely hot objects and can even withstand small amounts of molten metal, meaning the gloves will keep you safe no matter what. The gloves can handle all uses, whether they are outside being used for a barbecue or bonfire, indoors being used to cook an intimate dinner for your significant other, or even on the grill. The Grill Heat Aid mitts are able to keep you pain-free and safe from all kinds of heat. It is made from a firefighter-proof material consisting of high-grade aramid and meta-aramid fibers. This is the same type of material that is found in firefighter uniforms. I really recommend these gloves. They're great. I tested them out and they work really great. So all information for this will be listed down below in the description box. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!